Hello everyone, it is July 3rd, 2019, and in today's tech vlog I wanted to discuss a little bit, just a couple of things that I had on my mind. Um, there, now that glare is gone. So, for the past couple of years on the channel, well, the channel's been a bit inactive. It hasn't been completely dead, but I don't make videos the way that I used to. So, yesterday, I don't know why I started to watch my old videos, but I did. I just had them up on my side monitor here, and I don't know, just kind of watching through them, reliving, you know, how things used to be, and it was really nice. And it kind of got me thinking that I'm really glad that I decided to make all those videos when I did, because over the past year and a half-ish, um, since the channel's been a little bit less active, um, there's a lot of things that I've missed, a lot of things I haven't recorded, a lot of life events that I haven't bothered to document in a YouTube channel, and I understand that's not really what the channel is for, not for my personal life, but, you know, that is a big part of it. So, it just got me thinking, you know, maybe I should start just videoing every single thing. But then I got to thinking, well, why am I not doing it now? What it comes down to is I just don't have the motivation or a lot of time. Uploading the videos completely wrecks my internet, so, you know, unless I do it when nobody else is home, then I don't really have a chance to upload the video unless I somehow manage to schedule it, which I don't know how to do. And it's, yeah, I guess life has changed, and because of it, uploading and creating content just isn't quite as easy or enjoyable as it used to be, which is a bit unfortunate. Um, in the past 3 months, I've had a lot of stuff come in to my workshop, and I've worked on it, and a lot of it's gone now, and I'll probably never, have another one exactly like that again, but I have no documentation of that, and that's a bit sad, really. But it is what it is. I know I say that a lot, but what can you do? The things have happened, and you just gotta go with it. There are a couple things that I think, because this is a long weekend, it's the July 4th weekend, I have off tomorrow and Friday. Today is Wednesday. I might try to make a couple little videos about some stuff that I've got around. Again, maybe not necessarily because I want to right now, but because future me will appreciate that I did it. And I guess what really spurred the making of this video was I have all of my uploads. I'm just playing them as a playlist. I'm playing them on shuffle. And I was listening to this one, and it said, it was a tech vlog. It's my first tech vlog. And in it, I said something like, I've never done one of these before, but I've got 500 subscribers, and I really want to do something like that. And that was, oh, wow, I promise you I did not plan this. This is 100% coincidental. It was exactly 4 years ago today, July 3rd, 2015. Wow. That's actually kind of interesting. Sorry I keep itching myself. I was working outside the other day. Yeah, and I guess what I'm trying to get at here is certainly don't expect any content at all. Don't ever expect that. But yeah, I might put in a little more effort from here on out to at least make, I mean, if it's just tech vlogs. I mean, I know those don't get as many views as everything else on the channel, but if I make a tech vlog about something that I've got around, then at least I will be able to go back and look at that. At the moment, as I'm sure you know, I've sold off most of my computer collection, which is sad, but it's something that I decided to do. All I really have left for a lot of the things in my collection is just pictures. And I really have to make a point to back those up in my Google Drive as well, so I don't lose them. But that's all I really have left, and it would have been nice to have more videos on some of that stuff, because it's unlikely that I'll ever have most of it again. Not just that particular machine or that particular configuration, but any of the computers in general, because I've really changed my collection habits. We'll say that. Yeah, so that was just some of my thoughts. I don't really know what else to say, but yeah, this tech vlog that I promise you was completely coincidentally filmed exactly 4 years ago. It got me thinking a little bit. Got me thinking about how my channel in life used to be, and I like going back and looking at that stuff. So I think from here on out I will make at least a little more of an attempt to try to put up some content on the channel, even if it's a monthly vlog. You know, it doesn't have to be multiple times a week. It's not going to be. To be honest, I can't do that. It might not even be weekly, but I think one tech vlog a month is something I'd like to aim for to the best of my ability, because again, I think the future me will really appreciate that I did it. So that's all there is to it. I'm gonna cut this here, upload it. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you whenever the next video happens to be. So take care.